Yahweh Oleb, Yadan David. Yum, I do flooring for Jarabal. I do flooring. Boy, yeah, the man, the myth, the legend, David Strickland. From wall to wall, we do it all. So he was trying to get some squeaks out the floor. But we're doing the living room, like middle of the hallway, into this room. So David did all the laying of the floor. I was kind of like, I'm the helper. I was just helping around. I learned, you teaching me some things. So this was before. Now I'm gonna show you after. This is after. Look, that's the living room. Y'all see the floor? That's where David was trying to get the squeaks out. And we did the living room. I told y'all the middle of the hallway. No, not there. Right there. That went into the room. I think like.